Oh, look how great and how shining and how great is this 613 hair. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today's video I will show you our Ombre Wig, which is 1B613 hair wig. This is a wig sample of 1B613 Ombre Wig. This is made of body weaves. Look, this is 14 inches body weave lace wig 1B613. Look how great and how beautiful is this blonde hair. This is our blonde wig. Look, and look how pure is this hair color. This is 1B613 wig. Look, you have a root of 1B color, and inside is 5x5 lace frontal lace closure. Great density and nice blonde hair, very nice, with adjustable band and straps. This is very full and very nice, very shining blonde hair. I'm sure when you wear it, you will be very shining with this wig. Also, look how thick and how full is this wig. So if you want like 1B613 lace wig, you can feel free to contact us. We can do it with best hair and make it best wigs for you. This hair can be used for very long time. It's very great quality after bleach. Also, you can color it to different hair colors very well. No worry about it. Thank you. If you want best hair wigs, make sure contact us. Thank you. Have a great day.